Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Sims Mobile. To log into your Sims Mobile account, first of all, open your Sims Mobile application and from the main home page, tap on the little white arrow on the right hand corner of the screen. This will open up the settings menu from where you will be able to see login options. To log into your Sims Mobile application using Apple ID, click on the Sign in with Apple option. To sign in with your Facebook, click on Connect right next to the Facebook logo and follow through the instructions. To connect to EA to play on other devices and party with your friends, you can tap on Connect EA option and follow the instructions. Similarly, you can also log in to your Sims Mobile account using the X or the Twitter account. I'm going to use Sign in with Apple option in today's video. Tap on the Sign in option and log into your Apple ID by entering your credentials or log in using your Face ID. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to log into Sims Mobile using your Apple ID. You can also choose any other login methods to sign in quickly and easily. Now you can continue playing your game. That is how you can easily sign in to the Sims Mobile account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.